In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a BandLab project on mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the main menu here. You want to go to the bottom right where you can see kind of your library. And inside your library, you want to tap on Projects, top left. Now, here you'll be able to see your songs, your projects, whatever you want to call them. And to actually share a project, you have a bunch of different ways. The first one is by tapping on those three dots to the far right of your project. So just, for example, if I take this My Song over here, I can tap on those three dots. And then from here, I can tap on Invite Collaborators, and that way I can either invite collaborators and share my project via their username or email, so tap it up top. For example, if I go for myself, I can just go and tap on the send button top right, and it's going to actually invite them, and I can share my project that way. Or I can just basically copy the link, which is over here in the middle of my screen. I can tap on copy link, and then anyone you can send this, of course, they'll be able to edit this project and access it as well. However, if you want to just share your song, for example, that's also very doable. You want to go back out, you want to tap on your song, so for example this first one, which currently is private, and then as you can see, it's going to say current version, and at the bottom of that there's like that white logo of like a globe, so you want to tap on that, and from here you can go ahead and publish your revision. So at the top right you can publish that. Of course, here you have the settings if you wanna. I'm just gonna skip these, and then it's gonna say publish, it's gonna start loading, and there we go. Here you have your song. You can just tap on the share button, and then you can share it that way with whoever you want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.